everyone. Ooh, what day is it, Guy? Day 17 of the Barefoot Captain's log. Welcome back. We are sailing again. Wreck Reef was pretty awesome, but we are on our way to Ken Reef now. And as always, an amazing sunset. Just awesome. And if you're really loving it, please head over to our Patreon page. You can support us there, helps us out heaps, and you will get these first before anyone else. Well, last day at Wreck Reef, it was laundry day.
Sun's out, laundry day at Barefoot. Well, at least we'll have the cleanest clothes in the Coral Sea. My feet get to wash at the same time.
So we were washing some clothes, doing some household stuff here on the Barefoot, which you've got to do every so often. And a byproduct of laundry day is you don't necessarily have a lot of clothes to wear. Well, Gabi jumped in, Silke jumped in for a swim, and Gabi jumped straight back out.
He's now all the way over there. Ah! It's laundry day, she has no pants. It's lying on the bottom. What is he doing?
Resting. Has he got your pants?
There's two of them. So what if I'm looking at one and the other one comes from the back and bites my bum? She said it's big. It's this big.
There was two sharks cruising around under the boat. And we thought, well, we've got to get rid of those fish carcasses. And it was our last day, so we weren't doing any more diving necessarily, so we threw the fish carcasses in, and these sharks came in and made really short work of them. Two little reef sharks, really boisterous, rushing around, and they came right up to my camera and checked me out. One of them opened his mouth at the camera and tried to have a bite. I love those little sharks. They're so playful. They're like playful puppies. And we followed them around for a little bit, let them check us out, and then they took off when the food ran out. That's the only reason they're here, just for the food. We had some sun. We went and did a bit of exploring.
Nice!
And finally got out to those anchors. That was my mission here. My mission was to get out to the anchors of the porpoise and the Cato, back to where my dad had explored. My dad found back in 1965. I haven't seen it yet. I don't think he's seen it since then. Could be completely different, but this is really exciting. This is really, really exciting. It was actually really important for me. I really wanted to get out there and see what it would have been like when he first found these shipwrecks. And you can tell it's an old anchor because it's really A-frame at the top, and it's got a ring, not a shackle at the bottom. So they would have had like a hemp rope anchor road, and just touch and hold on to those giant iron anchors and get an idea of what it felt to be the first there to find them. And I really felt that. And I could also feel what it would have been like for the castaways to be thrust up upon that island and to have their ship keeled over there on the reef and have to jump for their lives into the water and then make their way to the island. Now, that was the anchor of the porpoise. That wasn't so hard. We were able to get really close to that with the dinghy. But the anchor of the Cato, that's a completely different story. The anchor of the Cato was way out in the surf, in the breaking waves. Really, really hard to get out to. Well, I just had to give it a go. Just took a GoPro out, battled through the waves, bashed, thumped, got tumbled a bunch of times, but I made it out there to this anchor out in the deeper water, and I felt such a sense of achievement. Got out there, good wave took me out, boom, smashed me off the anchor, got out there again, grabbed onto it,
so awesome. So awesome to grab onto it, hold onto it, even if it was only for a few seconds. Because I was there. I was in the two places my dad was when he found these shipwrecks. Well, that's pretty much it for our time at Wreck Reef. Ken Reef is a whole other story. Lots more shipwrecks there. One of the most beautiful reefs I've ever seen. Can't wait to show you Ken Reef and all the exciting stuff that we have to find there. Hope you've been enjoying our adventures out here in the Coral Sea. I look forward to sharing more with you. This is the Captain signing off, Barefoot Captain's Log. Have a beautiful day.